zice tu cum se face, că n-ai vrăjeală în stilo. Nu-mi zice tu cum se face, că tot mai bine o fac eu. Nu-mi zice tu cum se face. Na 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 na.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome to my channel. Today's tutorial is gonna be a buzz cut. Okay, before we start, I would ask you to press the subscribe button. It helps me a lot. So, we'll start with the number 3 with the lever fully closed. Now we'll start the fade, and the first step is to set our first guideline with the number 1.5 lever open. The next step is to create the second guideline. This must be perfectly equal to the first one. I prefer to do this with the clipper and not with the trimmer because I can make transition between 0 and 0.5 much easier. After that, I will clean with the trimmer everything that is under the second guideline. Then, I will come with the shaver. Make sure that you don't go all the way with the shaver. Leave a distance of a few millimeters. Now, with my number 1 guard, I will start to downfade, first with lever open right under the first guideline. The next step is to come halfway with the lever closed. After we finished with number 1, we'll try to get rid of the last shade with lever open then halfway. And finally, we'll use the scissor over comb technique. I chose to work in halves so that you can see the steps much more clearly. On the other side and behind, we'll follow the same steps. Now we'll move on to the outline part, where we'll keep everything as natural as possible. And this is the cut. Let me know if this video aided you, and if you like it, don't forget to press the subscribe button. See you guys!